It's January 14th, 2025, and this is the Moose Knuckles website review. So this is the homepage. They do have end of season sale up to 40% off, so we can shop like every other website and company right now. It is the Lunar New Year, the year of the snake, so let's go take a look and see their collection. So it's probably under new, Lunar New Year, and then you have, here's a hat. This is pretty cool. So it gives you a rough idea. So you could buy a Moose Knuckles coat for like $1,000, a sweater or like a hoodie, like 400, a vest around 4. This is 425, this sweater. So they are known for their very warm coats. So you have like the best sellers, men's. Let's take a look. This gold, I like that, from $996 to $1,424. This is also another bestseller, this Montreal vest for $595. Very nice. Good quality. Scrolling up, they do have a women's section. I'm going to show you some coats. I like that one right here. This is nice. And then we're going to go over to the kids section. And my son is talking so loud in the background. Sorry about that. I am not going to re-record. This is actually my second time re-recording. The first time, I don't know what happened. It just didn't go through. Kai! Tell Kai I'm recording, please. Thanks. He's so loud. I think he's probably streaming. So anyway, check out Kai to Fly. Sometimes he can be very annoying, but don't tell him I said that. He's probably not going to watch this website review anyway. So we're on kids. No, we're not. Are we? Yeah, we're on kids. Let's go to icons. Here's the originals you have here. Let's go to accessories. So they have like probably beanies, scarves, a beanie for $175. Ooh, I want some earmuffs. These look very warm for $122. You could load more. They have belts. This guy looks warm. Oh my God, look at these cute little mittens for $241. All right, so if you are doing your research on this company, I would click on brand history. You're gonna read more about the brand history right here, probably some pictures, and then careers. You can submit your resume right here. Looks like they have 2 in Montreal full-time, so you can probably click on that for more information. Looks like this is a first. So it looks like we have a PDF document, like 4 pages of what you need, 2 years experience, so on and so forth. The list is long. I don't see pay, but this is pretty cool. Generous welcome gift. I would love that. Summer Fridays, paid personal days. The first time I read it, I think they also give like free coffee, which is pretty cool. All right, so going back to careers, let's go. There's got to be more jobs available. Maybe where you find a store, I would click on that and then probably search within the store because I only see 2 full-time positions open over here, but I'm pretty sure there's a ton more, probably within the store. You can take a look on how to apply or even call them. All right, so counterfeit warnings. This is the first time I've seen this on any website review so far. So this is important because a lot of the times it's very easy to purchase counterfeit products. So this is how you can tell, how you can check the authenticity of it. You just got to look for this tag inside, scan it, and it's going to tell you if it's authentic or not. All right, because if it's not, then it's not covered by the warranty. And then if you have any questions, here's a phone number, or even you can contact customer service right there. Nice. And then lastly, we're going to take a look at the Instagram. So they have 298K followers, 160 posts. Here's some of their most recent posts. You can take a look.
Back again. Yes.
I'm recording. What's going on? I'm not. Yes. Everyone's talking. Because I'm trying to. Moose Knuckles YouTube channel. Is there a YouTube channel for Moose Knuckles? There should be. Where is it? Moose Knuckles.
Girl, look my dyed hair.
Oh my gosh! Did
Look.
Did you not hear me? Why are you dyeing your hair?
Look, keep right. Keep stunning, gorgeous. Something you don't got.
Oh my gosh, you're too much. Seriously, yeah, I'm gonna keep you in this video. Seriously.
To my Indian food.
This is what a sassy teenager looks like, everyone. Where's Moose Knuckles? Where's the YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have Moose Knuckles, just to let y'all know.
Oh my gosh, you're too much. All right, I can't even find their Moose Knuckles YouTube channel. They have to have one though. Am I spelling it wrong? What's going on? Moose Knuckles, Canada. Search. All right. One word, two word. Why can't I find their channel? All right, bear with me, guys. I'm just looking for their YouTube channel. Moose Knuckles, Canada. All right, how do we filter? Search by channel. This is not good, you guys. All right. Okay, I found this. I guess this is the only, I'm not sure. So if anyone's doing their research, let me know if this is the only YouTube channel they have. I found Moose Knuckles Canada, 819 subscribers, 10 videos. You can click here for more, and then you have the links right here. Take a look at all their videos and playlists. I feel like I'm rushing now because I don't want to get interrupted again. Plus, we have Indian food coming. So lucky. Love Indian food. But anyway, delivery guy should be here in a minute. So I'm going to go back, share this tab. All right, so that was the homepage, the whole entire website. Have fun shopping. Subscribe. Till next time. Bye.